broken here. I think it's because of the rain. Way to Bora Caves and look at the structure of the ropes here. Wow, here it's raining hard. Cold.
Oh my god, it's freezing cold.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life Designer. Guys, today we're standing in front of another railway track here. It's over a bridge. Wow. Guys, we're starting in this again because everyone liked the train episode that we did before. So we just thought we'll start this episode just like that before.
This shouldn't
Wow,
become
guys.
Just starting off the episode. This shouldn't become that.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Guys, it's a beautiful visual. If a train comes from there, you can see it, you know. It's a curve, yeah.
So then you go like that.
Look at
And-
this view.
You will know all about the Araku Valley.
Yeah, guys.
Guys, look at this view. Look at the plantations.
Wow.
God, so it's around.
Guys, talking about the train to Araku Valley, there is a beautiful glass train. Actually, because we are coming through road, we actually didn't take the glass train. But it's an amazing experience. So if you guys want to try it, you can try it.
You have to book it in advance.
Yeah, we have to book it in advance. And guys, we're going to go down from here. We can just slip and go, right?
This is like Chaparaya.
Waterfalls.
Yeah, water floor.
But the only thing is we have floor here.
Yeah.
Come, let's go.
Yes, guys. Over there, you can see our Fortuner is parked.
Cattles. A lot of things are there.
Let's get down, guys.
Yes,
Don't
guys.
know how to get down.
Wow. Guys, you can see the cattles are there, over there. Everywhere is there.
Yeah.
EO is super tense. Come on.
I will slip because my chappals already. Take small steps. Take small steps.
Nev just went just like that.
She's not like that. She has extreme shoes.
Guys, what? What?
I am flying in the
Wind.
Actually felt like I hold that set, so I sat. No, bro,
You stand there. Bro.
You hold my hand.
There are a few rocks that have, a little rough edges. You can balance it on that.
Yeah. See, always when you're climbing down, kneel. Like, you bend your knee and you'll get the gravity.
This
Like,
would be a little more better than going just straight.
yeah.
Like a little like that.
Oh, yeah, come on, guys.
Slip right now. Okay.
Yeah.
You want me to help? I can help you guys.
Yeah. That's smart, Majur.
Come on.
Go. This is teamwork, guys.
Leave
Yeah.
that hand. Leave that hand. So we'll
Teamwork, everyone will fall if one person slips.
Standing there.
Standing there and she's like just we almost reached you.
I already slipped.
Guys, this is a nice truck.
This is nice. This is fun, guys.
Actually, it's really dangerous, don't try it. It's actually super slippery, guys. So we're getting back to car, guys. We are going to okay. So guys, we are going to Bora Caves. I don't know when we'll reach there. It's actually really far from here. It's Bora Caves. What? Bora Caves. Okay. It's Bora Cave. Bora Caves. Okay, guys. So we're going. We don't know when we're gonna reach there, but we're gonna start the journey right now.
We saw ourselves in the map. We are around the mountains, guys.
Yeah.
We are completely surrounded by mountains.
Yes,
and
guys.
60 degrees mountains.
Wow, 360-degree mountains.
Even in the map, even in the map, our location is around.
Yes,
mountains.
guys. We just had bamboo chicken. We are really full and we're starting our journey right now, okay? Let's go. Guys, beautiful road here, both the sides. It's really beautiful. Yeah. Guys, if possible, we'll go inside this area and explore. Whoa. we stopped here. We've been seeing these trees on the side of the road everywhere, and we want to know what tree it is. So we stopped and we're checking it. Guys, so this is a tree. You can see it's double colored. It is having both like a silver color and also a green color. Yeah, see this.
See, this is dark green, and when it moves, because of the wind, that side we'll feel like it's some desaturated color.
So guys, we asked one of Litta's relative. So they know more about plants. So we've asked them. So I think they texted, right?
Yeah. This is a kind of oak. This is not a silver oak.
Silver oak. Oh.
Yeah. She's they say it's a evergreen tree. Like it's like this always.
This tree survives in all seasons,
every
guys.
seasons it will be
Summer,
like
winter, rainy season, every season this is green.
Uh-huh.
And look at the silver shine on the leaves.
Wow.
Look at the silver coating. Silver coated tree. Shit, do we have golden oak trees also?
I don't know.
Wow, guys, so beautiful structure. Guys, it's like the tree is inside the tree, like.
Cut.
Yeah.
There's a tree inside this tree. This is
Anything
a
else that he told about it?
That's the main thing. Then the general uses like, and it's like a toothbrush.
Ah.
Oh yeah, it has like here and there leaves. Pointed
Okay. The shape of the leaf is like toothbrush.
When you see from far, the whole area like shiny.
Oh my god.
Wow. Is it used for anything like wood, firewood, or anything?
Yeah, this is a very strong kind of oak. Very strong. If you see only, you can understand.
Okay.
No furniture making and all might be.
Wow, guys.
Not much, but yeah.
Furniture.
Very strong.
Let's customize and use it for furniture if it's
That part I don't know, but it's very
I'm
strong.
making it up.
trunk.
Okay, guys, if you guys know more about this, please let us know. So, guys, we're starting from here. So, you will see a lot more of these trees on the way. And yeah, guys, we're starting. Guys, there is a graveyard over there. Yeah. Yeah, it is. I think that is the step. Are we going there? Are we going there?
No, no more cemeteries.
Trix is scared of cemetery, guys.
Yeah, and again we'll get some cows on the way.
Guys, look at that. The road has been broken here. I think it's because of the rain or something else.
Look at those colorful buildings.
Hi, is that a... What is that? School, or... I can see a ground over here. Might be some community, right?
Yeah. In this green things, it's like a pop of color.
Uh-huh. Wow, guys. I think there is a viewpoint over there. Whoa. I think this is the general view of here, no?
Yeah.
The mountains, paddy fields, and the road is the general view, guys. Yeah. Whew.
That's a lake over there.
Guys, meanwhile, while we asked Litta's grandfather about the plants, he was saying, why can't you guys use, plant identifying apps? You guys are so young, you should know it. And we were really surprised, right?
Yeah, even I was surprised he knew this. True, actually, yes, we are giving wrong information sometimes, not knowing the plant names. I think that's an amazing idea.
Actually, it's a very useful app, guys. Even we never knew it. Like every plant, each and every plant will be identified and we'll get
You
the
can-
details.
Yeah, guys, so let's check if there is any app we can download and see. Yeah, we can next time we'll use that, right?
I got the leaf of silver oak. Let's check if our app can identify this.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm just going to walk around with that app everywhere.
Yeah, I want to figure out the
I'm most surprised when this, his age is too old and he's suggesting this, you know, such an realistic and
Advanced. It's so advanced, guys.
I'm like, what? Oh my god.
So where's my phone? Yeah, download.
Never have the. From now on, we don't say bullshits about plans. No more.
Wow, guys, amazing view over here. Let's go outside. Guys, amazing, fantastic view over here. Woo! Whoa!
Oh my god.
This is windy as hell.
Guys, amazing view here. We stopped over here to see this. Guys, it's raining. If it's blurring in a GoPro, we are so sorry, but
We don't have an option to do anything. Look at the top of those mountains. Nothing is seen.
guys,
Everything
you
is
can see
covered.
there was few cattle just went all this way over there. See,
Oh,
there is a way.
we need to walk.
Wow, guys, it's an amazing view, right?
And the wind, I
Oh my god! Oh my cap!
This happens.
Wow!
Okay, you take care of it.
I
I'm
will
gonna
see it.
go there. And you won't get it. You will fly.
I doubt. Okay, guys, amazing, fantastic view. Look at this curve over here, and the entire view is mesmerizing. It is so splendid, guys. Guys, look at the wind.
Oh my god. And look at this tree. This is exactly silver leaves, I guess.
But this is some other people.
Yeah. Wow, guys.
lavender color.
The whole mountain range is filled with clouds, guys. Look at that, my hands. I can feel it.
You can't see the top of the mountain clearly.
Yes,
It's
guys.
full of clouds.
Wow, guys, we almost traveled more than 1,000 kilometers, guys. We
Wow.
traveled more than 1,000 kilometers, and look at our car.
It's very
We-
dirty car.
Guys, we feel so bad for this. See, there is a lot of dirt, and even the car tires are like very dirty. Even we are going through a lot of paddy fields, and our legs are also dirty. So inside and outside, it's complete
Our
dirt.
Fortuner needs badly a very good bathing.
Yeah.
It has to be bathed.
Yeah.
It became like a complete
Wow, guys. But there is a lot of scratches also. I don't know when. Is it before?
Oh my god, it was before, not now. I guess.
Okay.
need to revamp also.
Yes, guys. Look
Let's
at
clean and get our
Guys,
Toyota
life designer.
ready.
But
It's just life designer.
okay, guys. So let's find a way to clean this. Don't know if we find a car wash, but it'll be costly. So
We'll do it ourselves.
We can find places
Have to keep it under rain and it will get
already.
washed.
okay, guys. So let's get inside. This is an amazing weather, guys. So windy.
Stop at
Yeah.
beautiful views like this. We won't reach anywhere.
Guys, we are on our way to Bora Caves, and look at the structure of the ropes here. We haven't even reached Bora Caves, but it looks really gorgeous, guys. Wow. Yeah. It's been sharp, and it's kind of a, it's layered kind of feel is there.
Okay guys, look at these tall trees here and the sky. Yeah, these are all the eucalyptus plants here.
From somewhere so down.
Yeah, like these grow so tall, like really tall plants, eucalyptus plants. So what is eucalyptus used for?
It's a very medicinal plant.
Oh my god.
It actually smells like the jungle of
Oh my god, it's very medicinal plant. There are some cows here, cows feeding on the plants. So good, it's drizzling guys, amazing.
It's so windy.
It's so windy and it's drizzling.
Look at the trees.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Bending towards the direction of the
Shit.
wind.
Actually the wind is making the
Can't
plants,
hear anything.
bend towards one direction and the leaves are giving that silver shine.
So guys, on the way we found a way. Let's see if we can go down that valley. Yeah.
Yeah, we can go.
Guys,
Interesting. Let's go.
I don't know where we'll reach if we go down.
I can hear you great.
Oh my god.
Is that wind?
This is known for
What?
This is an animal which very precious guys. It
Which
eats
one?
all the coffee beans. This one.
Huh.
Very expensive coffee, world's expensive coffee.
Oh, yeah, I've
So
seen.
they collect the coffee beans from its shit, and those are sold for some thousands of rupees.
What is the name of that?
I just forgot it, but I saw this before.
Okay.
These animals, coffee beans that they collect are really expensive, guys.
Wow, it's collected from the shit.
Yeah.
And how the coffee taste?
And it's
Really
so
good, really good. I haven't
so
tasted it.
shit. It is so shit. Wow,
this is
guys,
like
I don't think this
we
is
can
a
go
way.
down.
No, I think this is the China wall.
Andhra China wall. This is inspired from.
Guys, I don't think we can go down. It's actually really.
If you want to go down,
Yeah.
you have to slip.
This is not the proper way.
Beautiful view.
I think we can ask him one thing or. Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, but the scene is so amazing, so surreal.
How
Wow.
are people living here, man? They're actually living in a heaven.
Yeah, they won't know the
Yeah,
importance
beauty.
of all
Yeah.
this.
So Drix is going to ask if we can go down.
He's saying it's slippery because of rains. You might actually fall.
Uh-huh.
So,
Okay.
Okay, guys.
కిందకి వెళ్ళాను కదా ఎంతకంటే రోడ్ నుంచి
Okay, guys, we can only go
Along
through
the
road.
road.
We can't go
Okay, there is
like
a road.
this in between. Again, we'll slip and this again
This is
dangerous.
off-road which we could not use right now.
Okay, guys, so let's get back. I actually like the coffee bean thing.
my God.
It was new for me.
Let's know if we can visit this place nearby.
Oh, really?
Oh my god.
Okay, guys, so we're getting back to the car. Guys. It is so refreshing. Guys, it started raining. Wind is also there. I can see a lot of eucalyptus on top of that mountain. Guys, we found a way here.
Yeah, finally.
Wow.
Drizzles turned into rain, guys. Now it's really raining. It's no more hardly raining.
Wow,
my
there is
God.
amazing scenery in the background. That's the road we came, guys. Fortune is parked there.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
So good. Let's run.
Let's go, guys. I think we are in the mountain top here.
Find another.
Wow, here it's raining hard.
Oh my god, not able to watch.
Guys, we are surrounded by mountains here. Whoa. I can.
So cold.
Look at the tree.
Wow, man. This is a viewpoint nobody knows. Guys, Misha Puliwala.
So good. Got on my shepherd shawl.
Cold.
Oh my god, it's freezing cold.
Guys, the scenery is so amazing, okay? I want to just. Yeah.
Shit.
Look at that, guys. It's all the fog, the smoke there.
Mountains. Oh, who invented these roads on these mountains, man? Who invented this place?
Guys, it's raining. Wow. It's actually cold. Look at her hair is already wet.
Whenever we tie my hair, you put me
Huh?
like this.
Oh.
People might be coming here because there's a way.
Yeah, I think there is a way over there down to that mountain that
Yeah.
villagers use. Yeah.
Oh my god. There are a lot of flower plants actually.
Yeah, guys, I think this area is used for cattle. People used to come here and then, yeah,
This house with all these plants and
feed their cows and go back. Ah,
they are at the town. Okay,
they'll come at around like evening and they'll go at night. Yeah.
shit, let's go back.
Wow. Guys, so let's get back to the because it started raining heavily.
Yeah,
I think we all are gonna get wet and get into the car. It won't be good. Whoa. Ooh. Guys, this is the road we came all the way from here to there with our car. Yeah, guys, you have to. Yes, guys, the road is so neat and black. Wow. Neat, you know, wet black road.
rain is going to be heavy.
We are in a line to get inside.
We worried about the cold, now we're
Yeah, again. It's like the smoke is, you know, somebody is cooking there the whole